How to sign in FNB Mobile Banking account. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to sign in FNB Mobile Banking account. So let's jump to the process. First, you need to make sure that you have FNB Mobile Banking application on your mobile phone. If you are using an Android, you can download it from Play Store. If you are using an iOS, you can download it from your App Store. Now tap on your FNB Mobile Banking application. Now here you can see login option, tap on it. To log in, tap on I have login details. Now here tap on username box and enter your username. If you do not remember your username, then tap on forgot username. With this, tap on continue. Now you need to enter the correct password of your account. After you enter your password, simply tap on login. If it is your first time logging into your FNB mobile banking account, then you will be asked to change your password. You can change your password within 30 days. And this is how you simply sign in to your FNB mobile banking account. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.